everyone. I cannot remember if I showed this mallet smash or not. This is the one that I made on the Lazy Susan that I created. It turned out wonderfully. I did one last smash on it and it gave me kind of an explosion, which I adore. I really love this piece. And for some reason, I can't remember if I showed it or not. Because I did do one video that I deleted because it was so awful. So maybe it was on that one that I did it. So you can, whoa, too close. You can see I am doing a string pull today with yarn. It's been a while since I've done one, so I'm kind of excited. Let me take a drink of water, hang on. Alrighty. So, get my gloves on. This is a 14-inch MDF round. I do sell them in my Etsy store if you're interested in painting on them yourself. Just hop on over to Etsy. The 12-inch ones are sold. Christina Welch actually got them, so I haven't checked to see if she's done a video with them yet. I've been a little behind on my YouTube watching. This is going to be shown after the fact, but today is the first day of Hanukkah, so I will be, or have been shopping and getting ready for that. I've had some job changes, just a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I'm going to try and do this. I'm trying to think of the best way to smooth this out. I think I'm actually going to use my hand because I don't want a very thick coat. I don't know what my doggy is freaking out about up there. So I've been filming some of my collages. People have wanted that. And today when I was filming, I filmed about, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. I did speed it up, so it's not like an hour-long video. But then at one point, I just had to turn the camera off. I love doing my pours on camera and chit-chatting with you guys, my friends, while I'm doing my pours. But there's something about the collages and some of my Judaica work that I do that I like silence. So I'm hoping that this is not too little amount. So I did film some of it. You guys will get a huge flavor as to how I do it, but you won't get the whole thing, which I think might be kind of boring to watch the whole thing anyways. I feel like maybe I need a little bit more. So I hope you guys understand. Especially those that, no, I'm not, forgot it. I'm not going to go negative today. I've had a couple. All right. Where'd my okay. I think that's going to be fine. I want to do my yellow first. Okay, so I'm going to need something to get this yarn in here. The string is a little heavier, it's much easier. Whoops, oh crap. Making a big old mess. What's new, right? You know, I did all the trouble of making that Lazy Susan and then I haven't used it again. It's really big and bulky. It's not, I think I built it more because I could. I think it was just one of those things where it's like, oh, I can do this, so I did it. Not I need this, but I can do this. Which there's a big difference. So my son is out, we're having our Hanukkah party tonight. And so he is out last minute shopping for me and my husband, because he didn't get us anything. So he's asking, what do you want? So I was having him pick up, it's my husband's birthday as well. So I was having him pick up the birthday cake. So by the birthday cake place is a Bath and Body Works. So I was like, you know what, I burn candles like every night. I love candles. So I was telling him I don't like floral scents. Hate floral. No floral. So then he texts me from there, what smells do you like? And I said, food. Food smells. And so then he comes back, and so we're still going back and forth, and then comes back like apples and cloves and, you know, that cinnamon, that kind of, and I said, yes, those are the smells I like. And he then said, so candles that make you hungry. I was like, well, I don't want a burger and fries candle. And I really hope he was kidding when he answered, oh, they don't sell those here. I'm like, oh my God. I mean, the kid's in college. He needs to learn how to buy a candle. Because I'm sure there are burger and fries candles. But I sure as heck don't want that. I bought candles off, oh shoot, I'll fix that, Etsy. And I bought like little sample size ones so I could buy a bunch of little ones to get the different flavors, or scents, not flavors. And one of them I bought because I like the name, it was Monkey Butt. Oh my God, it smells like banana Laffy Taffy, it's disgusting. I will never like that. You know what? I think I'm going to give that to my daughter for Hanukkah. Lindsay, I hope you're not watching this. You're getting a candle that smells like Laffy Taffy. I don't think she watches me, so it's okay. Alright, now for the orange. Having very little white paint makes a difference. Oops, I forgot about that area. I may, when it's dry, need to touch up some of the areas, but I think I'll be alright. Just want to see if it's not going to tilt at all. I don't think, which I would like it to. There's really no paint to help tilt it. Oh, wait, I think it's moving. Or else that's just my imagination. It just seems like it might be. See, all the colors are coming through right in that middle area. I must have gotten blue up here or something. over that. To get rid of what I just did. So that's the problem with not having enough white though, is now I can't tilt it. I would have liked a little bit of movement in it. And I'm not gonna get that. Gosh, I wonder. I'm gonna try something. Sometimes adding paint makes the other paint move. Well, a little bit. We got a little bit of something's happening. Not much. Nothing else, the addition of the white paint will even out the base. I don't think anything's happening, but I'm gonna add more so that I can actually tilt it all off and it will dry flat. So that white paint is Artist Loft titanium white with Floetrol and water. Come on, something move. It is not gonna. Yep. Look at all those air bubbles, so it's a good thing I'm torching. I suppose this is where it is going to stay since it's not moving. It's pretty. I like it. I like how you can see all the colors right in here. very aquatic looking to me, like fish. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, it definitely looks like fish. I appreciate your subscription and your views and your comments, and I will, of course, catch you next time. Have a great day. Bye.